What's up guys, welcome back. It's Chany Peter here, back with another tutorial video for you. And today you're going to learn how to create a custom brush to use when you're drawing in Adobe Illustrator if you're not a regular pen tool user like me. And you'll also learn how to create a new document preset. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And without wasting time, let's do this. So first you open up Adobe Illustrator and go directly and hit create, and you'll see this big new document box, the dialog box for all the documents. You'll see it here. It has all the presets that you can choose from. So we have the preset for iPhone, iPhone X, iPhone 8, 7 and 6 Plus, Surface Pro and the rest here. And we'll see the ones for the web. The common one is here. We have for Mac and other presets you can choose from, and we have for print and we have for film. We also have these presets for different resolutions that you can choose from, and we also have for art and illustration. So I like to choose this one down here, 800 by 600 points. And we also have advanced options below. So we are going to choose the color mode to be RGB. Raster effects, I will choose the medium, 150 pixels per inch. And finally click create. And you'll be greeted with a white blank artboard. It's black because we haven't drawn or put picture on it. Now let's find a picture to put on it. So I'm going to just choose a random picture. So this one is good. Click open. So now you're going to resize it since it's bigger than the artboard we created. And to do that, hold down Shift and Alt and shrink it into the artboard like this. You go to the layer, unlock it, and create a new layer on top by clicking on the new layer icon here. So this is the layer we are going to be drawing on. We're going to draw everything on this layer. All the line work will be done here. Now it's time to create our custom brush. And to do that, you need to find a line segment tool right here below these four other tools and click on it. Now draw a horizontal line at 0 degrees, and to do that you need to hold down Shift as you're drawing this. So when you draw, it looks like this. You see, when you're drawing and you hold down Shift, it doesn't bend down or up, it's just at 0 degrees. Come here and increase the stroke to 3 points or 4 points. I like to keep it at 3 points. Go to variable width profile and choose width profile 1. And head to brush definition dialog and click new brush. So now here there are a lot of brushes here. We have the calligraphic brush for people who use graphic tablets, and we have the rest here, pattern, scatter brush, and for us who use mouse, we are going to choose out brush. So you can choose to rename it or leave it like this. Now let's try to draw and see how it looks. You can see it's awesome. It looks nice when you draw. So this is the only brush we'll be using to draw on this layer. You can see how it looks now. Let's try to draw on the eyes like this, like there. Reduce the size to 0.25 points. Very simple. So I prefer this because I don't like to use the pen tool, because I find this more simple than using the pen tool. That's why I prefer creating a custom brush for me, and it really works. You can see from other artworks I've made, they look good, really good. So you can use a pen tool if you're very good at it. For me, I just don't like using it. So, and I think we're done here. So another thing is, guys, as always, keep on practicing. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more you learn new things every day inside Adobe Illustrator. You'll also get used to the art creation tools inside the software here. And if you learned something today, leave a like. And if you are new to this channel, do yourself a favor and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.